Hello, boss. We are a manufacturer of numerical control machine tools in China. I am Xiao Gao, the boss in charge of overseas market sales. Today, I will take you to see a numerical control lathe with a rotary diameter of 560 millimeters and a processing length of 1,500 millimeters. Boss, come with me. Let's go and see what this machine tool optical machine looks like. This is what it looks like when it's light. Spindle through hole 86 millimeters spindle structure is A228. Standard is 10-inch hydraulic chuck. The hydraulic center rack can be programmed to move and release the clamping. The screw rail uses Taiwan silver, and the rail width is 45 millimeters. The roller rail has better rigidity. The tailstock is moved by servo motor and can be moved by programming. The tailstock sleeve is hydraulically tightened. Tailstock locking is pneumatic locking. The machine weighs 5 tons. This machine tool is now a hot-selling model for export. Let's get a closer look at what it looks like. If you can use this machine tool, you can contact me at any time. We specialize in export machine tools.